Good morning class. Today we are starting our next unit, unit 6, solutions. So we will discuss about solutions. What are solutions? Solutions are homogeneous mixture of two or more components, solvent and solute. What is solution? Solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Solvent and solute are homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solutions. Right? Homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called solution. Now we will discuss binary solution. What is binary solution? If solution is made of two components only, right? If solution is made of two components, it is called binary solutions, right? For example, salt dissolved in water. Only two components are used, salt and water. So it is called binary solution, right? Now come towards aqueous solution. What is aqueous solution? When solution is formed by dissolving a substance in water. When solution is formed by dissolving a substance in water, it is called aqueous solution. Or solution which is formed by dissolving a substance in water. It is termed as aqueous solution. Right? The two terms solvent and solute are used in solutions. So we will discuss what is solvent and what is solute. Solvent is the component of solution present in larger amount. The component which is present in a larger amount in solutions are termed solvent, and the component which is present in smaller amount in solutions. The component which is present in smaller amount in solutions are termed as solute. For example, sugar solution is made by dissolving sugar in water, right? Sugar is solute and water is solvent because sugar is dissolved in small amount and water is used in a large amount.